This is a majestic view of the North Murray High School courtyard, which has a breathtaking eastern view of Fort Mountain in northwest Georgia. North Murray was built in 2010, and this is the second year that we have occupied this facility. Our vision is to equip, enable, and empower students to contribute to and compete in a global society. Dr. Bradley, our principal, uses the mountains as a metaphor for our students to reach new heights and to fulfill their potential, and our school sports teams are called the Mountaineers. This is an exterior view of the archway that looks into our media center with the same arch glass architecture as our main building. This is the scenic walkway that leads to the media center with brick columns and the main glass archway on the left. The media center is located through the double doors on the left. When you enter the school, your eyes are immediately focused on the grand stairway which leads to the second floor of our school. This is our common areas with the grand stairway on the left. Our students enjoy this area, which contains elaborate columns that accentuate the first floor and lead to the school's ceiling. As you leave the grand stairway area, you enter the hallway that leads to our media center, which is located on the right with the double doors. Again, you observe the elaborate flooring and columns in our school. This is a view of some of the block windows into our media center with light coming from the exterior glass walls. Pictured here is Shannon Hicks, our media center director, in her office, which has a view to the media center. Our media center's mission is to provide our students with multimedia resources to empower them to conduct research in a world dominated by the information age. Students must learn how to access information and then must be able to use critical cognitive skills to apply that information to a wide array of complex problems. Additionally, we want to maintain the traditional role of developing a love of books and opening students' minds to the great thinkers of the past. In front of Mrs. Hicks' office is the nerve center of our media center, which is the workstation that is used to categorize our media center's resources where books can be checked out. Also, teachers can arrange to use the computer labs in our school at this location. To the right of the checkout module are the bookcases that are organized using the traditional Dewey Decimal System of classification. Our media center consists of books of various literary genres, including works of fiction and nonfiction. However, many of our students have transitioned to using digital literary resources. Shakespeare, Shelley, and Milton are now interactive, stimulating, vicarious experiences viewed on computers that bring these authors to life. One thing you will observe in the following photos is that our media center is well organized and provides an aesthetic venue for students to read and work on projects. When Dr. Bradley and Mrs. Hicks designed our media center, they wanted to have a relaxing reading atmosphere with a coffee shop theme. Mrs. Hicks provides coffee and cookies in our center. There are comfortable chairs provided for the students to use to discuss their research projects. The media center includes rectangular and circular tables with a magnificent view of the mountains through the arch glass in the media center. For students who enjoy privacy and solitude, we have a 6-section cubicle where they can read in comfortable office chairs. The Media Center also displays pictures of our sports teams, and the students enjoy having their pictures in the Media Center. Our Media Center also has a well-stocked inventory of video technology for our teachers to use to enhance their instruction. Our Media Center has a private conference room that is used by teachers and guests to the school to discuss and examine school issues. This is the entrance to our Media Center computer lab, which offers internet access for our students to use on class projects and assignments. The computer lab is well organized for our students to access the information highway and to use the internet and office products like PowerPoint and Excel. Our teachers can use various test preparation software to prepare our students for state-mandated testing in this lab. Due to the continuing support of our community, our students have the privilege to attend a school with the Media Center that provides them with access to information using multimedia resources to enhance their education. Thank you for touring North Murray High School.